today we're going to be doing a tour of the Omni Hotel. We were actually in room 603 when we were there, and it's big and nice and pretty. I was like, look how pretty this was. So yeah, this is the closet. I spent way too much time filming it, but this is how it looks. It's a regular closet with regular closet things like an iron and a safe and hangers. Then we have the bathroom, which I don't know why I thought the bathroom was the most exciting out of everything. Look at that mirror. Look at that vanity. It's so pretty. I got so excited. It's from one angle of the bathroom. I'm a little shaky because I've learned I have a little bit of tremors, which is okay, which is cool. But look at how pretty and marble this is. And then from the other side, we're going to flip around. And that's the other side with the toilet and everything. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Chef's kiss. Look how pretty that is. And then we're going to go into the shower. The shower is also marbled, obviously, it's like this theme here, and it has like those like waterfall shower. And then we have the soap, which is soap, conditioner, and body wash, which is very typical. It didn't smell like much, and look at the top, it's fucking huge. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, I haven't looked at everything that's in here yet, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna switch to my other camera though, because I don't know how good the quality is here on this one, because I'm still experimenting with this one. So let's switch over. I am sharing the room with 2 other people, but I haven't really explored the bathroom. There's like knickknacks and stuff. So we're gonna look at all this stuff. Yes, there's a body cream, a facial bar, bath bar, all with the Sicilian smell. And there's instructions on how to work the shower, which means it probably is a little bit. Can I smell it? Yeah, it's a very slight smell. Sicilian tangerine smells like a very light tangerine smell. Very natural. It's as if it doesn't smell like anything. I'm just being a kid because it's such a pretty hotel room that I want to do this. I'm alone right now, so I want to do this. Look at this. Oh shit. Look at that. It's like, there's like a face mirror. It's a zoom in mirror. Oh my god, this is the Sony CV1F. Great camera. Highly recommend. Only the ones you leave on the floor will be replaced. That's good to know. You have some tissues, some nose tissues, and then, chips, and some cotton balls, dude. It's so cute. Like, it looks like something I would have in my house. Honestly, I think I have. I think I do actually have this in my house. And it's like body towels, body yada. And then bigger body towels, and an extra toilet paper. Now let's head out of the bathroom and look at the rest of the room. This plot is like where you like sit and put your shoes on. At least that's what I used it for. There's a little bit of storage, but honestly didn't use that at all. I don't know what people use it for. I mean, some people like to unpack, but this is me in the mirror. The mirror was huge, and look at that. That's the main view of the room. If you like come in, that's what you see. And here is like the coffee nook thing. I don't know what it would be. Coffee refrigerator space thing. Yeah. I don't think it was utilized well because there's a bunch of empty spaces, but you know what? I'm not the director of these type of things. So yeah, and also look, the door would not close. Just, it's a little nitpick, but I just thought it was funny because it kept falling and closing, and I'm like, oh, interesting, cool. So this is the ice bucket, and then they have whiskey cups, which I realized that it was because Kentucky whiskey is a thing, but my brain did not process that, like, at first when I was looking at it, I'm like, why is it so fancy? That is why it's fancy, because you could go get ice and then have your nice whiskey. This is a menu for the whiskey that you're gonna see. There's a problem with that because look, the box that whiskey is supposed to be in has nothing in it. So yeah. And here's the refrigerator. I'm opening it up for you. I look so awkward trying to open this, but it's a pretty good size refrigerator. It could be used, you know. And there's a coffee machine, which is a Keurig. And then again, that empty space. I'm like, who designed this? Or like, why is it there? You know, I don't really need that, but it's fine. And this is a closer look at the Keurig. They gave you 5 pods and then 4 creamers, a few cups, sugar, stuff like that. Honestly, I don't know, like, it's not too exciting. And the creamers are original flavor. Who wants original? No one, but whatever, like, it's fine. And then here's the other side. Here's the desk and the TV. I did some work on here. It's fine. And this is the chair. I never sat in it while I was there, but it exists. And then my luggage is just on the floor. It's a good amount of space. You can just throw it on the floor and, like, just not pay attention to it. But yeah, there's 2 beds. I feel like it's big enough that 2 people can fit on it each, so like 4 people can sleep in the room if they really want to. And then here is the view of the window when it was raining at nighttime on the first night. And then I finished just in time because then my roommates came back. See you guys in the next video. Bye!